Let's talk about designing the homepage. So in the homepage, you can write about yourself, about your company, about your business, about your own story or something like this. So that's why I have already uploaded images, in this case just for demonstration purposes, 2 images of cars. So I'm going to navigate to all the pages and we are going to edit the home section. As you can see, the home is the front page, the blog is the post page. Okay, so let's edit the home page. Here we have 2 options, whether to use the visual editor or we can use the text section. In the text section, we are able to use HTML and CSS related code. As far as the visual editor is concerned, we are not able to use any HTML codes. So for example, if we want to use a link HTML code, okay, so how to make a link in HTML? You can search for good articles on the web, how to use HTML and CSS. For example, this is going to be a link pointing to www.yahoo.com. So if we use this in the visual editor and we update it, and we refresh the browser, we will see exactly what we have edited here. This is the main feature of Visual Editor. The exact same text will be shown up on your website. So that's why if you have a link, for example, you should use the text editor. If you use this in the text editor, then WordPress is going to interpret that, okay, it is an HTML link. If we save the changes and we update the website, as you can see, click here to go to Yahoo, and if you click on here, then it is going to be navigated to yahoo.com. So this is a huge difference between the text editor and the visual editor section. If you are dealing with HTML or CSS, you have to use the text editor. If you just have simple images and simple text, of course, you can use Visual Editor without any problem. So I'm going to use some text. So lorem ipsum generator. Okay, I would like to generate 5 paragraphs of lorem ipsum, and I'm going to copy and paste it in my website. We are able to use texts, as you can see, and we are able to add media files such as images. I have already uploaded pictures of cars, so I'm going to use these images as well to make it as fancy as possible. I'm going to insert the other image of a car. Okay, let's make sure that it is aligned center, and let's update and save the changes. So if we refresh the browser, as you can see, we have all the texts, we have all the images as far as the home section is concerned. So we have the blog section, we have about us, we have courses, and we have the home section, which is the same as clicking on the title of the website. Okay, so this is exactly what we are after. We have a home page about our story or business or something like this with images. We are able to insert links. This is what we have been talking about, that if you want to insert links, then use the text editor. Okay, so that's all about the home page. Let's consider the About Us section. In the About Us section, of course, you have to write about yourself, that why you have started the business, what is the aim of your business, and something like this. As you can see, you can change the permalink, http udemyfreewebsite.com about us. What does it mean? That if you click on About Us, then it is going to be the URL. So you can change the URL, for example, about us. This is a test. If you save it and then refresh the browser, as you can see, the URL has changed. So if you want to navigate to the About Us page, you have to use this URL, which we have defined here. I am going to reset it to /about-us because it looks more professional. So if we update and save the changes, refresh the browser, and we click on About Us, then again we have this URL, udemyfreewebsite.com/about-us. Okay, so here I would like to use some random text as well, and you can use your image. I have already uploaded an image for the user, so you can use your own photo. Okay, let's align center, and that's all about the About Us section. It is advisable to use an image of yourself. So if we click on the About Us section, there's going to be an image and there's going to be some text. Of course, we can get rid of the title of the page. We are going to install a given plugin. It is going to look more professional because here the About Us, which is the title of the page, is present on the page, which is not that professional. If you navigate to home, there's the home title. If you navigate to the courses section, then there's the title of the page. So it is not that professional. We are going to install plugins in the coming lectures, and we will be able to get rid of the title of the pages. Thanks for watching.